And here it is, the Super 8.
Right beside the Dairy Queen.
Yep, where you can get you some ice cream if they're open. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Cherokee, North Carolina, on our way to Gatlinburg. So we decided to do one-day layover in Cherokee just to kind of do some filming, and we're gonna try to hit that pancake house in the morning. And here it is, the Super 8. So let's go check it out. Super 8. It's very nice and clean. Look at that. Nice fireplace. Check inside. They have ice cold drinks that you can get. A couple of little snacks area. And they also have like a little breakfast with muffins and coffee in the morning. And he said that'll be open at 7. Elevators. Right here at room 128. Hey y'all, hey. So we're down here in beautiful Cherokee, North Carolina. So we decided to do a one-night stay right here in Cherokee, and we're staying at the Super 8 Hotel right as you're leaving Cherokee. Let's check out the room. It's pretty nice. It was what, $79 a night?
Yeah, 79.
$79 a night, and this is very nice. So we went with a 2 queen-size bed. The bathroom's nice and neat and clean. Smells pretty good in here.
You got your 2 mirrors. So a side mirror there.
2 side mirrors, some towels, and
Pretty
shower
nice.
curtain. Got a little area right here that you can put your,
Clothes and iron.
that's right, a small little mini fridge and a microwave.
Let's see here. From this side, oh, there's a little dent right here. Looks like they hit it, bringing it up.
Uh-oh,
It's nice and cold.
that's good.
That's the refrigerator.
And I guess we went with the 2 queen beds.
Yeah,
All right.
2 queen beds.
That's not bad.
Right, now look at those big pictures. Those look nice.
Those are nice. And then that's the,
Got a, what's that, a elk?
looks like the elk that Brennan tried to chase down the other day.
Right.
Got you a small little TV, but like I said, it's just one night stay.
Oh yeah, small TV with a lot of little cubby holes, drawers, a desk.
A vanity and an extra chair where you don't want to sit on the bed. You can put your tennis shoes sitting in the chair. Put your tennis shoes on sitting in the chair.
That's right.
Now they also have a little balcony, which is cool.
But what's up with these?
Well, that's just where the glass is holding moisture in the side. But that happens a lot.
So here's your balcony. And we are on the first floor here at the Super 8. And we've stayed at a lot of these hotels and motels here in Cherokee.
That's right.
And we decided to check out the Super 8. Now, I do believe this used to be a different one, was it not?
It used to be the Clarendon Inn.
The Clarendon Inn?
Yes. Actually, we have stayed at the Newfound Lodge whenever the kids were smaller so that we could just hop right on the river. And they would tell us to come over here and use their hot tub and pool. So they would share the amenities with the newfound lodge.
Okay.
And the kids liked it.
All right, so if you're looking to stay in Cherokee for just a night or two, this is a pretty good standard double queen room. So now,
let's take them and show them on the outside.
check out some of the amenities.
So right down below our room was the hot tub and the swimming pool, which he did say it is closed for the season. So that sucks.
Ah,
But here's some nice rocking chairs if it was open.
got your nice brick work around the columns here. But yeah, we were hoping that it would be open, and it's not.
Yeah, we could have gotten that hot tub tonight and chilled until we go to the big old Gatlinburg. Okay, well, we're going to show you the outside of the building, show you the premises around us. We need to go on the inside.
So if you needed a cart to take your stuff to your room, they have plenty of those. So they have a meeting room.
And they have a gym. But someone's in there, so we don't want to film them on their workout. All right, so one thing that we did forget to do was a bed bug test. Our friends are real big on testing for bed bugs and stuff like that with me working in apartment complexes. So let's see. All you do is you just take like a wipe, and that's pretty good. I don't see any dust or any red on there, so no bed bugs.
So what does that mean? What does red mean?
So if there was any sign of blood on here, it would be squishing the bed bugs.
Oh, so you're saying bed bugs bite you, suck blood, and if you see blood on a napkin, then there's probably bed bugs.
There's sign of bed bugs, yeah. And then you can also tell.
Put your napkin right here.
And the sheets down
Put your napkin right there.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
Any sign?
Nope, I don't see anything.
No signs.
Nope.
What is that? Is that blood?
I think that's dirt or dust.
Oh,
But,
what about any other forms of fluid or?
You have, here you go, if you want to see through
What's
here.
that?
You can't see anything.
Okay.
There'd be here, and here is a big test right there.
Do you see blood?
It's pretty much all protected and looks pretty clean
Just
to me.
a stain. If anybody's looking,
Okay.
looks pretty good. No bed bugs.
No bed bugs.
Give it a check.
Woo-wee, nice and crisp air. Look at that beautiful, nice view. Wouldn't you like to wake up every morning to that? And that clean, fresh smell. And I guess you could sit around and watch the sunrise come over that beautiful mountain. Well, good morning, sunshine. How'd you sleep? Well, y'all, this is very nice. Just like we said, we're gonna make some coffee. Beatbox has this grand idea of taking me down to the Piers Pancakes and Waffles. So we had to wake up early. They do have coffee in your room, but we have some guests, so we didn't want to wake them up.
So what do they have here? Let's see.
They have orange juice, apple juice, and muffins.
Orange juice, apple juice. You can make coffee.
And they have
muffins.
that good old Joe. Well, that was a good, affordable stay. One night, wasn't too fancy, but it was just right. Nice and clean. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe because it's free. Until next time, see you in the next video.